Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I want to share with you guys a few apps that have helped me to improve my mental health and have helped me track my well-being on the iPhone. So let's begin. So the first app is called Breather. So Breather is an awesome app that allows you to focus and meditate and focus on your breathing. But what I like about this app is that it was worked with a hospital here in Canada. So they partnered with a hospital, these group of developers, to make this app. So here you have a few options and they're all less than like 10 minutes deep meditation, which is always really nice. So you could click on one like here and then it will show you of course what each meditation would do and help you with. So like this one is learn to focus and aware on natural breathing, of course, and just focus on your breathing when you're meditating. And then of course here you get to have two voices that you get to choose from, a male or female voice, or you could just do the reminders if you don't want to meditate right now. And then there's a few more sections in this app here. So there's the practice section right here, which allows you to do other types of meditation as well. The presence ones here. So if you want to just, focus on different types of meditation as well. So like, let's say gratitude right here. So here is, of course, about gratitude. So this one here, you'll read about it. It will give you some quick information as well. So yeah, it's just a really nice app, really simple to use. I just like the app design of it. So it's just really nice. And like I said, there's just a ton of meditation here. The app is free to download. There's no in-app purchase or anything like that. Like I said, they partnered with a local hospital here in Canada to make this app and to help you just improve and just not to have too much anxiety as well, which is always something to improve on and to help you lower your anxiety as well with this app. Next, we have affirmation. So affirmations, of course, is something that I haven't really been doing a lot, just because talking to yourself in front of a mirror or something, or just saying those words out loud, sometimes I laugh or something because like I kind of don't believe in that stuff. But also it's I've been playing around with it, saying it from time to time, and it's been interesting while using this app. So of course, one of the things that I want to focus on, of course, is in my section is anxiety, of course, since that's what I suffer from, is anxiety, and depression sometimes as well. So I just click on anxiety right here, and then you can either start listening to the how do you call it, to the course, or to the session of what you're listening to right now. And so yeah, it's just really a great way to just learn more about affirmations as well. But also there's some great affirmations right here within the app. So you can either hear it by pre-recorded voice, so if you want to start listening to it, which you had to do an in-app purchase to unlock that stuff. But or you could do it in your own voice, which is free. You could just say this like this and say in your own voice and say these affirmations right in front of the mirror, or without having a mirror, you just say them in private in your room and just say them out loud. And yeah, it's just a really fantastic app, and there's different types of affirmations for different types of situations as well. So yeah, it's just really beautiful. The app, I like the daily quotes, of course, about the app. I'm also a fan of the widget as well. So like here you have it's just some nice little affirmations as well, just to remind you that that everything's okay. And so yeah, it's just a really beautiful app. You can listen to your sessions right here. You can either make your own sessions as well if you're into that. If you want to make your own sessions and listen to yourself, say it in your mind. That's one way you could get started as well. And there's also some great sleeping sounds, which is really nice. But I'm not really into that part of the app here. I'm mostly into of course, the affirmations part. So yeah, it's just a really nice app. Like I said. The app is pretty much free if you don't use the voice recording feature of it, like to hear the voices. So I just like looking at the ones that they upload here and just say that out loud. So that's how I've been using this application. Next, oops, there we go. Okay, so next we have Motivation. So Motivation is a fantastic app that the whole point of this app, of course, is to get motivation, pretty much. So with motivation, here you'll get to see, of course, you do the best you can until you know you're better. And there's just some great motivation here that you could do from. And so, but what I also like about this app is the customization or the sections that you want to get motivated on. So I, of course, like me, I want to get motivated in my growth section. So that's why I have it in growth right now. But you can actually change it to other categories right here. So if you need personal growth right here, hard time. So if you're dealing with depression or something, you could click on depression. The app is free, but there is ads, or you could do it in app purchase to unlock all these things. But I think it's a subscription based purchase, so it's not really fun for me. I'm not gonna be paying for that, so I just used the free version of it to use here. And then also, like I said, there's more customization. So I have the basic white background and everything. I just like it because it looks really nice with the widget and everything, and it matches with any setup that you're going for as well. But here you get to click on the colors, right, on the themes, and you can change the themes to any other themes depending on your setup that you're currently rocking and the type of mood that you're going for within the app as well, and in your setup. So like, this is not just for the app, this also affects your widget as well automatically. So yeah, it's just a really great app to have just motivation. Of course, I always read this pretty much in the morning when I see it, and it just, it's just a great way just to stay motivated and improve in whatever you want to improve on in your life. And next and not least, we have Mood Notes. So Mood Notes is a super simple app that allows me to track my moods. So here I'm going to share, of course, some examples here of what I've been tracking here for the past week. And it's pretty simple and easy to use. And what I like about this app, of course, very simple. So I only use this app to track my moods. That's it. I don't write anything, no journaling or anything like that. So when I click on my mood here, you could you do it manual or scan. The scan version of the core uses the Face ID in the front facing camera. So, and then you click on scan my mood, and there you go. So you can click a smile, and as you can see, when I smile, it looks, and then move my eyebrows, moving as well. But I don't use the Face ID scan. I just use the manual version right there. It's just really easy, and then from here I can control what my mood is. So yeah, there's a few moods that you can choose: awesome, good, okay, bad, and terrible. So I've been doing good today. Today's a good day for me. So I'm gonna click on there, and then from here you can say what's happening today. So just just relaxing, let's say. So relaxation next, and then here you get to see what type of positive you've been doing: calm, content, motivated. I am making this video right now, so I do feel motivated. And next, and then from here you can control yourself whatever you want, but I usually leave it like that, and then click next. I don't write anything here because, like I said, I don't use this for a journal. And then what's also awesome about this app, even though I only use it for moods, sometimes I like to read these articles and just to improve my mental health as well. It's just really nice. It's really nice articles right here that you can read about, and just learn more about the mind and everything, and how to improve your well-being while using these free apps on the iPhone. So that's pretty much it, guys, for these apps that I want to share with you guys. Apps that have helped me to improve my mental health and my well-being as well, and just a great way to track also with like mood notes and just relaxation with a breather and everything, to meditate a little bit more, have been ways that have been helping me to improve my mental health and my anxiety and everything that I go through using technology like on the iPhone right here. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please do hit the subscribe button because that does help a lot. Hit the like button because that also helps a lot to get my videos out there, since I need a lot more views since I'm not getting anything really. And that's pretty much it, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.